Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to explore how to deploy your web API application to Kubernetes cluster. In this example, we'll just be using Minikube, which is installed inside my machine. And the point here is you're going to see how we could create a namespace, a deployment, and a service, and how we could actually request to the API once it is being deployed to Minikube or Kubernetes. So, okay, let's get started. So this is the project actually. So, so just to give context, I just created a web API project and using the minimal API. And I added one endpoint here, which is calling the ping. And then as a response, it's giving you a message, which is pongs. And then the pod, which is the current environment where the application is deployed. So we're gonna see the values of this once we have totally or successfully deployed this, and we'll see the values we have requested. Okay, so let's try to build first this one. So I believe I already have version 1. So let me just check in Docker Hub. So I got here my public repositories. Let me refresh that. So seems good. So just need to have a version 2. Currently I have version 1. Okay. About an hour ago. So now I just need, oh no, not push. I need to build first. Um, Docker build. Let me build that first. I'm gonna build a version 2. So let me put a tag there. And am I inside the current directory? On the root. So yeah, I think so. So build tab, then so let's give it a few seconds. So I think that was fast. Now after that build, we need to push it now. So pushing it now to the public repository that we have. So it says layer exists. So let's give it a few seconds, and probably when we refresh this, we're gonna be expecting it here once it has successfully published. So it seems successful. Let me refresh. So there you go. There's a new version, which is version 2. Now let me open my deploy folder A8S. I'll just need to change the image for the cluster. So for the namespace, I'll just be using sample API video demo. So nothing really fancy there. With the deployment, I'll just use again the name of the uh version, which is of the application, which is version 2. So I just put the container port there and then added some resources. Not really much. This is a demo. As you can see, I got here the metadata, the specs. I got 2 replicas, so 2 pods will be available. And then for our service, I'll just check if everything seems okay. I think everything is okay. Okay, now let me try now open a terminal Minikube. I hope this is the one. Yeah, I'll just need to apply first the namespace, and I think it's already been done before demo, but it's kind of cool to see it again or do it again. So yeah, so there's no changes, but I believe in deployment there will be some changes because the version is new. Oh, I think I made a typo there. So apply, yeah, configured, and then let's try the service if. Come on. So yeah, nothing has changed. Now what we could do is let me clear the screen first. CTO control get pods. My default namespace would video them. Yeah. So I got 2 pods already running. Yeah. So let me try to check the service. So get So I got here a uh, load balancer, which has a cluster IP of 10.110.227.171. However, the external IP is still pending. So one of the ways we could do is just type minikube space tunnel. Once we press enter, it will automatically do its thing. And the moment we type again the Kubernetes get service and then the namespace, it will show now the external IP. So I could now copy this and let's open it here and then let's see ping. There you go. So that's pretty much that's it pretty much for this demo. So at least I hope you have learned something. Thank you and bye bye.